Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sallystampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today I am bringing you my Clipboard post-it. Now I will confess first off that I was meant to get some large clips to put on the top. These ones are a bit too small, but that was the plan, was to get some larger ones, and then I've just completely forgotten. And I don't want to delay my filming just to get some clips. So that's the general idea, is to get maybe a larger clip. But I was so excited when I made this. Can't even tell you. So the secret to this is it's the Tea Boutique cards and envelopes, and it is just one of the envelopes, and it is really stiff and sturdy, and that's because it has in it a piece of this card. Now a little while ago, a few months ago, I made a bag with this card and it is fabulous. You can get it in the ephemera kits. You actually also get it in with the cards and envelopes, so you potentially could make 2, or if you wanted to make small ones you could probably get 4 out of the card. But it's literally just this card that comes in with these kind of things, which I'm really excited about. I do love it. But yeah, it was just an idea that came into my head and I thought, oh, that will be really good. What I did find is when you cut this down, you can use your trimmer, but I find that when you do it, go back and forth a couple of times, then flip it over and go back and forth, and it will then just fall apart. Unless you use a craft knife or a guillotine or anything that you've got that's a bit stronger, but I just used my trimmer and it was fine. But yeah, so I cut my piece of card. I thought, oh, I'll just try it in the envelope, and now I can't get it out. So I'm not going to mess about and wreck an envelope, because I thought it's simple enough, you can see it. But yeah, a little bit of stampings, pop your post-it note on and your clip, and you've got a fabulous gift for someone there. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. I loved it. So you need a piece of your board. Now, I did this one. This piece of board was 10.9 by 14.4 centimetres, 5 and 11/16 by 4 and 5/16. I did this one, and I literally took a millimetre off, or a 1/16 off the card, to make it not quite as tight, and it's still tight. So that is a rough, if you're struggling, maybe you have hand problems that you can't be quite as yeah, I can't even think what the word is, but if you struggle with it, then maybe just take a little millimetre off, or even 2, just to get it in, because as I said, I had to put my envelope down and really push the card in. But once you've done it and you've got your envelope in place, all you need is, you can lick the envelope if you wish, which I generally don't think is that nice, or just use your aqua painter, just a little bit of water, she says, and just spread it on there like so. That will do the trick. Just for reinforcements, I did add a strip of seal lower down, and then obviously you just fold your envelope over as you would, and sealed. Now again, you could use the back side of it if you wanted to add that and use this as a note, or you can add your note on the back if you want. I don't know, I like them both equally. I don't know which way I'd prefer to have it. Does it look too much like an envelope there? I think it does. Okay, so we'll go with this way. So we just need to do a little bit of stamping. So I'm still going to stick with the sweep. So I have a cup of tea, and I've just pulled out the colours that are already in the envelope. So I'm going to use this and some garden green. And I was quite happy to stamp on this with the card in. You don't have to stamp beforehand. You just perhaps need to press on just a little bit harder to make sure that you get what you want on. So that's that one done. I'm going to leave the green out because I did actually use this tiny little leaf bit here and just added a couple more onto it like so. As I say, and I'll keep hold of that because I will add some more. And then we have sweet sorbet with my sentiment, which says take care of yourself, which I think is quite nice, and this would make a nice gift for someone if you were sort of saying, you know, just take care of yourself and here's a little gift to remind you every day when you go to use your post-it notes that you just need to take care of yourself. So that's that part done. Then I'm going to grab Petal Pink for the larger flower. So just add a couple of these around the edges like so, and then crushed curry. As I say, I'm pulling in all the flowers, colours of these flowers that are already here. Oh, that's the wrong size. Silly me. I didn't want that one. I wanted this strip of flowers here. And then I just want to use this one here. So you can either do masking with your stamps, or, oh, I've just got ink on that one, or you can be clever like me and try and ink up just that one flower, which I have managed to do. Oh, I think I got that heart again. Yes, I did, but it's okay. So add that one there. I mean, you can cut these. Yeah, that scares the life out of me. I don't want to be cutting any of my stamps. So that's that part done. And then back in with my leaf and my garden green, and we'll just add some leaves I'm going to put on there to cover that little bit of crushed curry that decided to stamp itself. And then these here, and maybe one just there. I like that. Again, you can stamp wherever you like. And then the last part is just sticking your post-it note down. So I have used Steel Plus over that extra sticky bit, and you can always refill this then, because once you've got down to the last one you can replace it. And then leaving yourself a bit of a gap at the top for that clip, eyeballing the centre, make sure it's lined up, press it down, add your larger than average clip, and there you have them. Clipboard post-its. How amazing are they? I'm so pleased with them. Might be making some of these as gifts for Christmas. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you all very soon.